Now composition scheme. So we will take one example of composition scheme. In this example, we have to find out whether composition scheme, can person go for a composition scheme or not. And a case study is X Limited, being a manufacturer of laptop, has 4 factories in Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore and Madurai. Now place turnover during the preceding year, rupees in lakhs including tax at 18%. Chennai total turnover 57.91 lakh including tax of 18%. Salem 12%. Coimbatore 8. Madurai 10. And Chennai 2 23.60. Total 111.51 lakhs of rupees. So now whether composition scheme is applicable or not, in this case you have to find out. But for this, what is the limit for composition scheme? So limit here is 1.5 crore or less than 1.5 crore, and in some special category state it is 75 lakh. So you have to find out turnover during the year. If its turnover is not crossing the limit of 1.5 crore, then a person can go for a composition scheme. But here all the turnover is given including tax. You have to find out the turnover excluding tax, and then you have to decide whether it is less than 1.5 crore or more than 1.5 crore. Here limit of 1.5 crore is applicable because 4 factories are located in Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore and Madurai. So question is X Limited eligible for composition levy in the current year? Answer is, first of all you have to find out aggregate turnover. 111.51 multiplied by 100 divided by 118 comes to rupees 94.50 lakhs of rupees. Now this formula is used to convert turnover including tax into turnover excluding tax, and you don't have to do anything else. You just multiply total turnover, multiply by 100 and divide by 118. How this 118 comes? 100 plus rate of GST. So 100 plus rate of GST is 18, that is 118. So it comes to 94.50 lakhs. Since aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year does not exceed rupees 1.5 crore, Messrs X Limited is eligible for composition scheme. So here in this case he is eligible to for a composition scheme. तो बहुत ही इजी है कि वो कंपोजिशन स्कीम में एलिजिबल है कि नहीं है. तो आपको जस्ट टर्नओवर डिसाइड करना है. इफ टर्नओवर ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर कंपनी or body corporate is less than 1.5 crore, then a person can go for a composition scheme in the current year. Now next example, ABC Limited, being a trader of laptop, has 2 units in Chennai and in Mumbai. Place previous year turnover in rupees excluding tax. Now here tax is not included. Chennai 52 lakhs, Mumbai 12 lakhs. You are required to answer the following. First one, is ABC Limited eligible for composition levy in the current year? If so, can ABC Limited opt composition scheme for Chennai location and normal scheme for Mumbai? These 2 questions are asked. Now answer of question number 1. Yes, ABC Limited is eligible to avail the composition scheme in both the state, namely Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. That is state. We are given a name of Tamil Nadu is a state for Chennai and Maharashtra is a state of Mumbai. Since ABC Limited has same PAN and his aggregate turnover does not exceed rupees 1.5 crore, it is eligible for composition levy. So if you make the total of 52 lakhs and 12 lakhs, it will come to 64 lakh, and that means 64 lakh is less than 1.5 crore. So ABC Limited is eligible for a composition scheme. It is eligible for composition levy even though the company has multiple registration under GST. So अलग अलग स्टेट में रजिस्ट्रेशन है, चेन्नई में भी रजिस्ट्रेशन है, मुंबई में भी रजिस्ट्रेशन है, फिर भी उसको कंपोजिशन स्कीम का बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है. Thanks for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.